So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC space /scan. Now click on enter. And now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. And then click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.